Wow, what are those, biker pants?
Not done yet.
Dude.
America.
Whoa. You're scraping the ball?
500 beans in a minute!
Whoa!
500 beans in a minute! I'm the Bean King! What's up with you, man?
Well, you know what, Rhett? I want you to have it.
What, you didn't even try.
Well, you didn't.
This is 500 episodes. My shirt's about to bust. Look at that. This is 500 episodes.
I'm gonna cough up a whole bunch of beans. I'm pretty sure that's what we've got back there. Snickle Doomper. Snickle Doomper. They're very active. You have to keep these things leashed when you go out in public.
Leashed?
If it gets out of the leash,
The park.
that thing is gone forever.
Really?
Snickle dong. Oh. I meant to say snickle.
Gone.
Gone.
But which would have made no sense either. Well,
Next.
Square pizza, please.
No. All we have today are cockles.
Can you put them on?
Hold out your hand.
Can you put them on a square pizza?
I can put them on your square face.
Why are you always like this? You should. You should eat the cockles.
Serving size.
what's going on
I'm
here?
prepared.
Uh-oh,
Special day.
Softball
Okay.
coach Link.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. That's right. Yeah, there we go. Work with me here.
If they see trash on the ground, they're instructed to pick it up, every cast member, but you cannot bend over to pick it up. You have to pick it up in a swooping motion. They don't want to see your
Butt in the
plumber's
air.
crack.
Well, I don't want to see Mickey's butt in the air, but Minnie?
What? She's a mouse.
No, okay, I take that back. I don't want to see anybody's butt in the air either.
Hey, that's a song. I'm So Fancy. That's the beginning of I'm So Fancy.
Oh, did you find it? Yeah.
It's actually pretty good. Wait, hold on. All right, we're gonna go on 3. So 1, 2, 3.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane from LA to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. Is that how it goes? That's right? I can't bite into it. I mean, my tooth is hurting.
I tried.
Don't break your teeth now. Oh! I thought that was your tooth. I was so convinced. The sound that it made.
Okay.
Did you hear the pop?
Ugh. That's just a chunk of wood, y'all. So it's either you or me, buddy. Talking to you, buddy. Partner. Hey, don't touch my, Don't touch my pool noodles with your pool noodles. You look stupid.
You're up there and you're like, hey man, let's jump off. It's like, no, dude.
You want to get vertigo?
You're experiencing vertigo.
Oh, it's something you experience.
I'm having nothing to do with this.
Yeah, you get vertigo out of here.
You want to jump out of that plane? You got vertigo, man. Snap out of it.
You got to vertigo do that all yourself.
Like move your head so it looks like dude, you got vertigo and you got to snap out of it.
Oh, too many.
Do it to me, we'll add it in post. I got vertigo. Oh, okay.
You know what?
We gotta work on our stonework.
How about this one? Please. Culicino is the next word. This is a hung. When did you last cry in front of another person or by yourself?
I don't cry as much as I wish I would.
I can take care of that.
But
sounds like something my dad
like
would
a
say.
pain cry.
I'll take care of that, son.
I feel like I should be more in touch with my emotions. But in the Lego movie, when
Lego movie.
Being self-conscious is technically being conscious of what other people think of yourself. So I think the key to reducing self-consciousness is to focus on what is what am I trying to say? I'm not confident what I'm gonna say.
Just make that noise whenever you're in doubt.
Focus on what's happening, not what you're trying to. What is it? I've totally lost my train of thought. This is ironic.
Really?
You know what? And then you just sit in it. Just sit in the lack of confidence. I've lost all confidence.
See that this is a demonstration of what not to do.
It's over. I had something I was gonna say and then it's like, I lost it.
Really?
Yeah, move on.
Police received a 911 call from a frantic man, Shannon Hunter. He says that he has fallen into a toilet, the toilet part of a porta potty.
Oh, he's in a porta john!
And he is
on the phone!
He's stuck. And he's naked.
What? Like,
he is wedged up to his waist.
So he's like this in there.
Yeah. So you go into a porta john, you're like, whoa, and there's a man, like the top half of a man. It's like a haunted house exhibit.
I mean, he's
naked. So anyway,
why was he naked?
They show up and they ask him why he's naked, and he just shrugs his shoulders.
His bare shoulders.
Man, if I told you, you wouldn't believe it.
I bet that's what he said.
I'm glad,
that's what's so funny.
I'm glad you thought that was funny.
I don't know why.
He was wedged so tightly in this thing.